नमस्कार। मैं राजेंद्र जटना, आपका दोस्त, आपके लिए लाया हूँ even odd property of definite integrals. This property is very very important, and many questions of on this property appear in your CBSE plus 2 book, and these questions are important from the examination point of view. I'll try to make you understand on my notes, and once you understand it properly, then I'm very sure you will come out with flying colors, because these questions mostly appear in your exam. So I will request you to please like the videos, subscribe it and share it among your friends. Thank you. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 6 ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स, even odd property. Now look here, the question will be like this: minus a to a fx dx. Firstly, break it in two parts: minus a to 0 and 0 to a. So this will make the things easier for calculation. Now look here, the function has been divided into two parts: minus a to 0 fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx. Now case 1, when fx is even function and the even function is from minus a to 0, then 0 to a. Look here, this has been divided into two parts. This area will be equal to this area because the interval is equal. Minus a to 0 is equal to 0 to a, interval wise they are equal. So answer double हो जाएगा. This area plus this area, it will be double of 0 to a. So when it is an odd function, you know the curve of odd function lies in the first and the third quadrant. So minus a to a, again divide it into two parts: minus a to 0 and 0 to a. This will come negative, this will come positive, but they will be equal, so they will cancel out and answer will become 0. Look here. When fx is odd function, then minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0. So in this case area is doubled, in this case area is 0. This is all what I wanted to tell you today, that this property, with the help of this property, you will be able to attempt many questions, and if you understand it properly, then I am very sure that you will definitely come out with flying colors. Like the videos and subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you.